So if you ever wanted to know what's the proper way to jack up a vehicle, particularly the Sorento, make sure to engage your emergency brakes before jacking up the vehicle. So the right way to jack it up would be to place your jack under these pinch welds, and it's usually marked. There's like 2 creases here, but even though they're reinforced steel, they start to bend over time, but still holding up. And same with the rear. You can jack up here, and then that's where you can start. With the car jacked up now we can place a jack stand under the subframe cross member. There's another spot on the other side. You just gotta get under the vehicle and place the jack stand there. Right next to this bolt. Alright, so there's jack number 2 on the other side of the subframe cross member. And there you got a solid spot to jack your vehicle up. Okay, next best place you can set your jack stand. Start at the cross member here. Alright, so 2 jack stands under the cross member, and tires barely are off the ground. That's one way you can do it. And it's probably not a good idea to jack up your car from the inner frame of your vehicle. It's likely to bend more quickly if you do it that way. It's best to jack up on the outer frame of the vehicle or use the subframe cross member of the vehicle. Another way is to place the jack stands under the pinch weld this time instead of under the cross member. This will require you jack up on a subframe or close to the pinch weld to get the vehicle up. Then you can quickly place the jack stand under the pinch weld without causing too much damage. This is the way I've done it for years, and I've yet to see any real damage done to the frame this way. You can see this second method still gets all the wheels up. 2 jack stands in the front under the pinch welds, and 2 jack stands in the back under the cross member. Then once all your wheels are up, the last thing you want to do is give your car a good jounce and make sure it's stabilized. And that's how you make sure you jack up your vehicle the right way. There are some variations to jacking it up, but as long as you stay on the pinch weld with your jack stands in the end or on a subframe, like those 2 jack stands in the rear under the rear subframe. As long as you're under a pinch weld or a subframe with the jack stands, you're good to go. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit subscribe, like.
Automotive for Beginners.